I just don't know what character I want to play.
Play all of them. Pick all of them.
It's a really tough choice.
Be the snake on a skateboard.
My game crashed. It's a map.
Stop doing that. You're making me dizzy.
I just didn't know what character I wanted to play.
He beat the squirrel.
It's gonna pick me.
No.
Unfortunate. Okay.
Get the flamethrower. Oh.
Any day now.
Any day now.
What the fuck is he doing?
He's going grocery shopping.
Is that for real?
He's going grocery shopping. I don't know what you expect.
Oh, the whole map rotates, I think, right?
No
Yeah.
fucking way, bro.
Maybe.
You gotta get to the top.
Oh, yeah, the map rotates. Birdie, no! Yeah!
Point. Shout out to Brodator for being trash.
Whose mouse is off screen?
Birdie.
Um,
Who did you think?
okay. Where can I even put this? Oh.
Yeah, the arrow.
Who the fuck?
Why would you...
Yoink!
Bro, there's a saw on the finish line.
Guys?
What? Oh, the honey. I forgot. Or no.
Birdie.
Alright, Zebra, it's up to you. Or you have to be the most important player.
I make
Yeah,
it.
what?
Wait, what?
How?
How did that work?
How?
Yes, I went through the finish line.
Black hole.
I knew.
You didn't even go for the gift. Honestly, I'm fine with that. I'll keep it there.
Don't
Time
do
to
it.
Blow up. Bro's really gonna
Actually, yeah,
blow
you
up his
can
own.
blow that up.
Blew up his own paper ball.
I can't jump over it.
I almost died immediately.
Ah! I didn't see that!
No! Oh wait, I did make it. Okay. Brody's just squished down.
He's going for the gift.
Oh.
I got a gift!
Merry Christmas.
Let's go! Fuck.
The flower. Get smacked.
Yo, that saw. Bro's speed running.
What?
What's that?
Wait.
Did you put a jetpack in the bottom?
Oh, yes. Yeah, I did. Are you kidding
Too
me?
easy.
My
Wait, no,
jet-
wait, what?
I thought that died.
Yeah, I did.
I guess he got
I
post-mortem.
got sucked into the black hole.
Not the black hole.
I'll do it, Brody.
Here, let's do
He's
this.
doing it, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah.
It was my jetpack. Mine didn't work.
Who is like that?
Oh, ouch. I stubbed my toes.
Oh my god.
My own tennis ball shooter got me, bro.
Not the tennis ball
Oh,
shooter.
Getty got the trick.
Put a
Ah.
fucking like saw thing on the very top.
I'm an underdog.
Here. Let's do that.
Those are some of the craziest texts I've seen.
So already
I
finished.
like jumped into that one.
Still thinking.
Fuck.
I mean, no, I was finished. You win.
It's just a very easy
What
one.
the fuck? How, bro? I can't. My brain can't comprehend the tennis ball shooters.
I think I finished the thing in like 5 seconds.
You
How
did.
did you not die to the tennis ball shooters?
I
He just jumped over them.
them.
Hey, you might have got lucky.
Thank you. I'm tier 1, so.
Are you?
Oh, mammoth.
That's an elephant.
That's an elephant.
That's an elephant.
So, yeah.
Effa land. I don't even remember what this thing does.
What?
Okay, so we start here.
It's
we
just
gotta
a very
climb.
the vertical, yeah.
Oh god, bro, this is gonna be a nightmare.
I don't even remember what that does, so I'll just put it there.
It's a try. It's a door. It's like an opening. Huh?
Oh, it's an elevator. Someone should die, so we can all have the points. Higgy, you should die.
Whoa.
It's not going higher.
Time to clutch up.
You could die.
If you look like the face of a
Oh.
dyer.
See, that was too easy now.
Very unfortunate.
Wait, I didn't get what I clicked on. This isn't the door. What is this?
Man, you guys moving your mouse made me misplace that.
Me and Higgy got tapped under it.
Bro, I didn't even know you could go over there.
Damn it, I tried to land on the punching bag.
You need to finish Higgy.
Singing.
Kid?
Shut up.
Dude,
It's
Kid.
bada-bada-boo.
Higgy, you gotta move.
You think you gotta hold B.
Yeah, I think you had to hold B.
Yeah, we should all be so he gives up.
Eh.
Too easy.
Dude, I think it's broken when you finish this.
No, I wanted the black hole.
I just like.
Oh! I almost ran in. Wait, who went over the spikes there? Getty, you don't know how. Or, Vampire, you realize you went right next to a spike?
Yeah.
You're so lucky, bro.
We're about to get this again.
Can the airplane kill you?
I think that airplane thing made the punching bag like not possible to like turn on.
Dude, I think I'm putting how to get that.
Higgy.
How did that one actually get me, man?
Need more what the fuck?
Oh no,
What is this, bro?
the jetpack.
Oh, is this the jetpack?
Put it down there.
I'm
No,
going
Oh,
for
wait.
it.
You just.
Are you serious? Wait.
Yes, I got him.
Time. Jetpack. Yes! I'm going! Yeah!
Motherfucker.
Go! Everyone's just doing it now, bro.
It's the perfect map to do it on, to be fair.
Wait, so how do you escape the start without dying?
You had.
How did
Which
Vampire
escape?
do that shit, bro?
Start spiking it up.
Oh no, not the tennis ball.
Brody.
Wait, the jetpack's still
Yeah.
down there.
Block the jetpack.
Does it stay there every round?
Yeah.
Yes. Wait,
Oh, I don't
it's
think
not.
it's finished.
Ouch.
What?
Just get crushed.
No! Bro,
No
I
point.
fucking... Well, you
I
could
think
die to
so.
that fan thing?
Yeah. Oh my.
Grow up.
Oh.
Why make it...
Why?
Wait, what? Oh, the
Huh?
door. What?
Wait.
How did that work?
How did you guys
Oh,
make it through the
brother.
door?
Wait,
Wait,
how am
how'd
I
they get through
still
the
alive?
door? What?
I thought I died.
Excuse me?
Fire high Q. That's how it works.
Bro, how'd you get through the door?
Okay, well I thought I died, but
I think my, like, dead body activated the door, so they got through. I don't know.
Double trap.
Yes, a fan.
Great, our deaths will be even slower now.
you
Brody,
guys are
can you
so
make
weird.
it possible? Stop, bro.
It's actually possible right now.
Dude, you put a
It's
saw
not-
right at this start and just gets
It's not
fired.
You
possible.
would do that. Why? What is wrong with you?
Why?
Oh my god, bro.
I was thinking he's Soul Survivor.
He's the best.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going, asshole. The mouth when it like.
Yeah, I know that mouth in the middle.
Alright, my underdog. comes. Brother,
No
kick
way,
him.
you're in Clash of the
I
Underdogs?
think, bro, elevator's got to be the best map.
I am.
Now that I'm winning,
Actually-
it's actually my favorite map, bro.
No.
Why the clock of all things?
I hate the clock.
Dude,
Yeah,
why
this
is
is
this
an-
No,
this
there's all
start-
this stuff. Now I'm gonna
start
get rid of the
snack-
clock.
We all made it.
Yo, man. Oh!
Ouch.
It's still. Oh my god.
Wait, why are those spikes open on Brody? What the hell?
He paid them all.
At least I died doing what I loved. Elevating.
Snake's dancing mission sucks.
Yo!
Huge.
No.
Underdog.
The black holes.
It's a black hole sandwich. Okay, I don't know if this is
Ow.
gonna be hard.
I don't know if it's
If someone gets
possible
through this-
anymore. Oh?
Oh, shit. We're in an
Oh,
elevator.
Fire did it.
Fire's alive, bro!
No way.
Does he live? Did tennis ball shooter shoot you? I always died
I
at
don't
tennis
even
ball
know
shooters,
how
bro.
I
They're my,
did
they're
that.
my nemesis.
Three turns
Wait,
left.
what?
Guys, it's like Mario
Yeah.
Party.
No. No.
What do you mean,
What?
no?
Not really.
Nice ice, dude.
I love ice.
Brody died.
Dirty.
Let's go, we made it.
Ben Meyer, no. Oh, thank you, Kat.
Yo, I got an achievement. Died of barbed
Jump?
wire 10 times. Ooh.
Oh, I got points.
Oh, they matter.
Yippee!
Okay.
Nice comeback, dude.
I got an achievement. Seasoned vet. Play 30 games.
I'm playing you.
That's literally your name.
He's playing your team.
Yeah.